Hello and welcome again. Today we have a new variant of the hugely popular G-Shock model GA2100. This new variant is designed with 2 layers of color on the bezel, introduces the GA2110 SU3A. This model combines 2 popular colors on the bezel, black and military green. This color, of course, can be an alternative choice for those of you who are bored with black. Or in this case, those of you who didn't get the full black GA2100 model. Because it's out of stock everywhere. There are no physical design changes to the GA2110 SU model when compared to the previous GA2100 model. In short, Casio just made a new color change for this model. Yes, like any other model, of course. One of the successes of the GA2100 model is of course the application of carbon core structure technology. In fact, the GA2100 model is the cheapest model that uses this technology. With a total weight of only 51 grams, this watch is really very light and you can wear it all day long without feeling tired at all. The GA2100 model is perhaps the lightest G-Shock product on the market, thanks of course to the use of the carbon core guard. With a retail price of $110, this GA2110 SU model can be an option for those of you who don't want to spend a lot of money on a watch. Of course, you can still get other watches that are cheaper, but G-Shock always offers a tough product with very long service life. These new models combine practical and utilitarian colors of the bezels, faces, and bands that go well with street fashions, to create distinctive looks that fit right in with a wide range of fashions and activities. The new dual-layer molded bezel cover of the GA2110 SU model create great-looking new designs. These new G-Shock models combine thin cases with new designs. But the question we often get is, with its fairly small dimensions, does this GA2110 will look good on a large wrist? Or is this model can only be used by people who are not big? Well, don't worry. This GA2100 model has proven to be very popular with almost everyone, whether they are big or not. The fact is that almost all variants of this model are always sold even though they are not full black. Then what about the features of this GA2110? Unfortunately, there are only a few basic features such as world time, stopwatch, timer, and alarm. If you are new to the G-Shock watch, welcome! G-Shock does have a reputation for the toughness of their watch, but when it comes to the watch's features, it looks only as a compliment. For the resin band part, the GA2110 SU3A uses a quite popular color, military green. There is no special design on the resin band. However, the quality of the resin band is quite flexible and very comfortable for daily or outdoor use. Well, that's our review for the GA2110 SU3A G-Shock watch. Hopefully, it will provide useful information for you. You can subscribe to our channel for more videos.